So this should just pop right off. Okay. Gonna pop off. Indeed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not so fast, Fatso. There we go. Set it right up here. Should be good. Now it's not a great cone, but it's a cone. I should have left it that way. So that's the way they're facing. Oh, what's the story? Right. Cut the degaussing cable first. Or not the degaussing cable, this cable. Is it keeper? I can't tell. Let's take it out in the sunlight a little more. Yeah, that's copper. See if we can move this without busting the tube. I never have any luck with this. Hey, what do you know? Come on. Should come right off there. Come on. And he should pop right off. No, that's plastic. That should come right off. Yeah, my hands are feeling a lot better since I'm in here. I like that. And that was not fun. Come on. Okay, well this will just pop right off anyways. Come on, Coney. Now, I've seen different ways of extracting the copper out of... Good God, y'all. Extracting the copper out of these. These should pop right off. That's shred. That's shred. But there's some little bit of copper in there. Not much, but right now that's as far as I want to go with that. So let's cut the wires off of this. Yeah, I'm very slow at this. I've seen guys like, what's his name? Ben, E-Wish Ben. He flies through these things like it's eating a sandwich. Me, not so much. When it comes to crap like this, I'm lucky if I can find my ass with two hands on a road map. Okay, that's copper. Yep. A little bit of copper there. Let's get that off of there. Figure it out, because there's a little steel spring on there. And that's the rest of the power cable. This, okay, let go. This does not feel very thick or heavy, guys, so, but I hope it's copper. Yep, that's copper. Nice. Alright, let's just cooperate and slide right out. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they need some persuasion. Because sometimes there's clips on the bottom, but I don't see any clips anywhere. I just heard a pop. There we go. Aw, you dog, you. All right. Hold it up. You sucker. I had you going. What's the hold up here? Right there. Let's see if I can get back to deep enough to... There we go. Broke you loose. Speaker wires. I'll take them. More speaker wire. Alright. So what? Let's have a look at this. Copper there. A copper band right there. I do take these aluminum heat sinks off here. These are usually not aluminum. Let's check them. They're usually not, but nope, those are steel. But these are extruded aluminum. They go for extruded at the scrapyard. All right, so there's some more copper wire right there, and another bead of copper there. Little bits here and there. I don't take these crystals. I don't bother with those. Yeah, I have no interest in them. So, but right now, this gets relegated to further tearing apart pile. Right there. Right? Maybe I do want to mess with these. I don't know. No, I don't. Okay, enough fooling around. So this is going to parts unknown. I don't say. Like a glove. Where's that one right there? I'll just put a couple back in there. Well, of course, now you want out. You son of a bitch. Parts unknown. I got my goods out of it. It's in there. Hey, come on. Gently. There we go. If you go slow, you always know. And you say, fat guy, what?